It's not unusual to have trouble falling asleep quickly. Many people find it difficult to relax and turn off their minds at the end of the day. But there is a method that would enable you to doze off in just 2 minutes. This method, which was created by the US Navy's pre-flight school, entails a number of steps that might help you unwind both mentally. First, check to see that you are lying comfortably in bed. Then, breathe deeply while letting your face relax. Loosen the stress from your body as you exhale. Next, concentrate on relaxing each group of muscles in turn, beginning with your shoulders and moving down to your feet. Be sure to free your mind of any anxieties or ideas when you do this. Simply acknowledge any thoughts that come to mind and then let them go. Imagine yourself now in a serene environment, like a beach or a forest. Visualize this location's sights, sounds, and odors. Don't think. Repeat this mantra to yourself for a total of 10 seconds. This can help you relax and get ready for sleep. You can follow a regular sleep schedule, abstain from coffee and electronic devices before bed. You may enhance the quality of your sleep by following these strategies and routines.